Hello, what's up everyone? So today actually I'm going to the library. Here we call it as bibliothek. So as you know, I'm in Berlin in Germany. So yeah, before beginning, if you guys not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon, active the like button. Also in this video I'm going to teach you about what happens when moon is placed in 12 different zodiac sign in Vedic astrology. So already it's snowing in Berlin. So yeah, okay, let's begin the video. So what happens when moon is placed in Aries zodiac sign? So when moon is in Aries zodiac sign, it is in the friendly zodiac sign. Of course, moon and Mars are friendly towards each other. So these people are usually very much they take initiative in any work, and they are very good at leadership. These people, they get angry at particular point if nothing went according to their way. It also shows that these people, they usually lie, okay, depending upon the situation. Of course, they are very much loyal to their partners. It also shows that these people, they are very good at whatever the work they take. So if these people are housemakers, they will cook food very well. Or let's say, for example, if these people, they are working in a particular company or something, they are very good at it. They will finish the work very well. Now it also shows that these people, they are very much interested in sports or athletes, or these people can be very much spiritual also. Okay, so these kind of things I have seen when moon is in Aries. So career related to people who are having moon in Aries are, so usually moon will be ruling the fourth house. So that shows that anything related to the fourth house, like restaurant, cooking, or all the related to home things, architecture, civil, technical, especially technical career like IT industry, etc., they do very well, because here Mars also represents technical things, right? Now what happens when moon is in Taurus zodiac signs? Okay, so moon and Venus are enemy towards each other. Here moon is in although it's in exalted sign, but still moon and Venus doesn't go well. But still moon in Taurus, it's an exceptional. Okay, it's in exalted sign, and that shows that people are very much tolerant. People loves beauty, romance. People love to go to films, movies, to watch movies and all. They love entertainment. They love film industry. Okay, it also shows that these people usually they are very much tolerant towards their partner. Okay, and they are stubborn also by nature. And it also shows that they spend their money into the beauty, fashion, those kind of things. So the career related for them are, it can be either on the fashion industry level or on the entertainment field, modeling. So these kind of things, you need to see other planetary position also. Now what happens when also moon in the Taurus sign shows that they love food. Okay, they are foodie and they love to drink, etc. Now what happens when moon is in Gemini zodiac sign? So these people are having great sense of humor. It also shows that they have very great communication, they are intelligent and have business acumen. Now when it comes to taking decision, they are very much not that good at taking decision. They are very much indecisive because they don't know what to take the decision, whether this way or that way. So they might fail here. Okay, so this is the one thing I have seen when moon is in Gemini. So you can see snowfall is happening in Berlin in Germany here. So you can see the snow on my hair, right? So yeah, I need to go quickly inside the library. So coming to moon in Gemini, these people can be working in again in a computer related work, or anything typically like talking, which involves communication, like journalism. Okay, those kind of things. Now what happens when moon is in Cancer zodiac sign? So moon in the Cancer zodiac sign, it will be in the own sign. It is a very good sign for planet moon. So that shows that these people, they have very great health. It also shows that they have very great mind. They have great emotional stability, which means emotional stability in the sense they have very great emotional empathy and all. They understand others people's emotion very well. They take care of others also very well. And it also shows that these people, they usually are very much sensitive in nature. So these kind of things I have seen when moon is in Cancer zodiac sign. So they usually they are very well inside the home only, majorly. They won't go outside. They don't like to go outside, travel outside, etc. They love to be inside the home, in their home country, or inside the home only. Okay, they will cook food. Okay, they love cooking, etc. Or they know about the cooking very well. Those kind of things. Okay, etc. Now, what happens when moon is in Leo zodiac sign? So moon in Leo zodiac sign. So that shows that these people are very much having great leadership qualities there, and it also shows that these people might end up working in a government related job, or working for the government, or something to do with giving service to people. Okay, it also shows that these people can be very great leader. These people, they have ego also. I have seen people who have moon in Leo have a lot of ego. Okay, so because of the sun nature, and it also shows that these people, they want to share their knowledge to others. They want to help literally other people. Okay, it might be in terms of teaching, or it might be in terms of serving, whatever. Okay, usually these people you can see in a very administration part, or also in an authoritative position, like IAS, IPS, or government office, etc. So these kind of things. Now, what happens when moon is in Virgo, guys? So moon in Virgo, so that shows that these people are very much intelligent. They are they have great analytical bend of mind. These people can be very good business person, and it also shows that these are minds where they have research qualities in their mind. Wherever they go, they will do research and go, and they have very deep analytical analysis. Okay, so these kind of things. So usually these people are very much self-centered. They are, you can say, they are selfish also sometimes. Okay, and so people who are having moon in Virgo, after you guys get married, you people will grow very well in your life. You people will see the growth, because the 7th house will be ruling by Pisces, right, which is the ruler of Jupiter. So that's where you people grow. Okay, so Jupiter will bring you lot of money, prosperity, and everything, progress in your life after you get a partner. Now, what happens when also moon in Virgo means you guys will be working in a finance industry, or you guys will be working in a technical industry, or somewhere in stock broker, like that, insurance related, those kind of things, or business people like that. Now, what happens when moon is in Libra? So moon in Libra shows that you guys, here moon will be in enemy sign, obviously. So because moon and Venus are enemy, you guys are very much romantic, very much passionate towards love, romance, etc. So these people are very good at creativity. It also shows that these people, they end up getting partner who might be very much aggressive, etc. So I have seen people who are having moon in Libra, they are very much balanced people. So they know how to balance between personal and professional life. So that's how moon in Libra is. Now, what happens when moon is in Scorpio zodiac sign? Here moon will be in debilitated sign. Okay, although moon and Mars are friendly towards each other, but still in the original Kalpurush chart, moon will be in the 8th house. 8th house is the house of depression, 8th house is the house of malefic house. So moon doesn't do very well here. Okay, so people who have moon in Scorpio, these people, they are very much secretive in nature, which means they don't show their emotions to others. It also shows that these people are very much get angry easily, or short tempered. These people are emotional. They don't show that emotional nature to others. They hide lot of secrets within themselves. Okay, these people are attracted towards the moon in Virgo. You check, guys, people who have moon in Scorpio will be always attracted towards moon in Virgo. Now, these people are very much very much deeply good at analyzing things, hidden things especially. It also shows that these people, they love gossips and all. So these are things moon in Scorpio shows. It also shows that these people, they will get depressed at one particular point of life. It also shows that these people, they will get a lot of health issues. Also, please make a note on that. For these people who are having moon in Scorpio, they will have very great professional life, but the personal life will not be that much good. Why? Because see, Mars represents aggressive nature. The opposite to the Scorpio zodiac sign is Taurus, right? Which is totally opposite to Mars and Venus, are enemy towards each other. So that's the reason their personal life will not be that much good. Now moving on, it also shows that their career will be regarding it can be anything which usually helps them to grow in career life, like for example some leader of an organization, or technical things, or something to do with athletics, sports, something to do with the 8th house, Scorpio and Mars. These kind of career will suits them very well. Okay, now moving on, moon in Sagittarius. Okay, so people who have moon in Sagittarius, these people they shows that they are very much strong, friendly, and also they can become great teacher. It also shows that for people who are having moon in Sagittarius, they are very much having guru type of quality in their nature, built in nature. They are very much straightforward, honest. These people, they are very much knowledgeable also. It also shows that their mind will thinking like politics, philosophical bent of mind, spirituality, going to foreign lands, etc. Those kind of things their mind will be thinking, because 9th house, it's the original 9th house of travel, foreign travel, overseas travel, house of it's a gurus, teachers house, 9th house. So these kind of things can be seen when moon is in Sagittarius. Now coming to the negative part, these people are a little bit straightforward, or they can be rude sometimes, which means the opposite people won't like the way of talking. Okay, let's say for example, if someone unknown stranger comes and talk to you, you just talk with them in a straightforward way like you talk with others. They won't like it. So that's the disadvantage of this moon in Sagittarius. These people are usually goal oriented and ambitious people. Now what happens when moon is in Capricorn zodiac sign? So here moon and Saturn are not that much friendly towards each other, but these people are very much sometimes lazy, very much practical. It also shows that these people are hardworking, workaholic. Sometimes these people will get delay in everything, like getting a job or getting marriage, everything. It might get delayed due to Saturn influence. It also shows that they will look little bit older than their age. Let's say for example, if you are around 35, you might look like around 38 or 40, like that. That's how moon in Saturn does, right? So moon in Saturn, it also makes person addicted towards the bad things like alcohol, cigarettes, etc. But other than that, it's good. Moon in Saturn is good for professional life, work ethics, etc. But usually these are lazy people, because Saturn stays in one particular zodiac sign for 2.5 years approximately. So it is the slowest planet. So that's why Saturn influence is more in people who are having moon in Capricorn. Now moving on, moon in Aquarius. So moon in Aquarius also, it's in Saturn sign. That shows that these people, they love to mingle with others, like big organization, or with multiple groups, social circles, etc. They love to be with the friends, and they love to travel, etc. Now it's in a Aries sign, so that shows that they love to travel a lot. So it also shows that these people they love investing in multiple things, like it might be stocks or properties, those kind of things. They love to do business and all. So that's how moon in Aquarius is, guys. Now moving on to the moon in Pisces, this is where the people are very much sensitive. It also shows that they are emotional. They also have a lot of guru qualities, since moon and Jupiter are friendly towards each other in moon in Pisces. Now it also shows that for people who are having moon in Pisces, they can be a guru of an institution or a principal of a particular school or college or university. It also shows that these people have very great knowledge, in-depth knowledge about spirituality and all. They can become a spiritual guru also. They will travel to the foreign lands, etc. Or they will earn from the foreign countries or foreign income, or they will have good relationship with the foreign clients. So these kind of things I have seen when moon is in Pisces. And these people will also work for the MNC companies or for the foreign people. So this is what I have seen when moon is in the Pisces zodiac sign. So yeah, this is it for today, guys. This was my analysis of what happens when moon is placed in 12 different zodiac sign in Vedic astrology. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe below, or else I will see you in the next video. So in the next upcoming video, I'm going to do a Berlin vlog and upload it here in my YouTube channel. So yeah, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon and click the like button. So yeah, that's it. I need to go for library. I'm running late now. So thank you, bye bye, love you, take care.